Welcome to today's news update. Here are the 5 top stories we are covering. Welcome to the channel. Before we begin today's update, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications for all our future tech updates. Rocket bell. I always hear them before I see them. Drones strike fear in Colombia. Drones have become a growing threat in Colombia's Catatumbo region, where armed groups increasingly use unmanned aerial vehicles, some equipped with explosives, to strike targets. Residents like Sandra Montoya live in constant fear, hearing the drones before seeing them, with attacks rising sharply to 8,395 in 2025, a 445 increase from the previous year. The Colombian government recorded 333 effective drone strikes in 2025, compared to 61 in 2024. Many civilians, including children, are forced to hide during drone flyovers, highlighting the psychological toll of the escalating conflict. Ukrainian drone attack triggers fire at a Russian oil terminal. A Ukrainian drone attack sparked a fire at Russia's Sheskharis oil terminal in the Krasnodar region, injuring 2 people and damaging infrastructure used for oil exports that fund Russia's military operations. The facility, operated by state-controlled Transneft, serves as a key export hub for Russian oil products. Ukrainian forces also targeted a tanker in the Black Sea belonging to Russia's Shadow Fleet, according to Ukraine's general staff. The attack is part of Ukraine's expanded campaign against Russian energy infrastructure using domestically developed mid- and long-range strike capabilities. Ukraine drones kill 4 in Russia. Moscow faces biggest attack in over a year. Ukraine launched its largest drone attack on Moscow in over a year, killing at least 4 people, including 3 in the Moscow region and 1 in the Belgorod region. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky confirmed the strike, stating that Ukraine targeted locations more than 500 km from the border and that their military actions have shifted the balance on the front lines. Russia claimed to have intercepted over 1,000 Ukrainian drones in 24 hours. Zelensky vowed continued retaliation against Russian attacks on Ukrainian cities. Drone maker Anders is on a spending spree. Here are all 6 companies it has acquired in 2026. Anders Holdings has acquired 6 companies in 2026, expanding rapidly into a global defense technology platform with a focus on unmanned and autonomous systems. The acquisitions include Robotam, Centrix, 4M Defense, Worldview and Mistral, boosting its market cap to $5.26 billion and revenue to $50.12 million in Q1, with raised full-year guidance of at least $390 million. The ocean is Earth's largest wireless dead zone. This antenna could change that. University of Florida engineers have developed a magnetoelectric antenna called Blue ME that can efficiently transmit and receive very low and low-frequency electromagnetic signals underwater. The compact, energy-efficient system operates on just 10 watts of power and successfully communicated across 2,296 feet underwater, potentially solving the ocean's wireless communication challenges where traditional signals are absorbed by water. Thanks for watching. Please do like, subscribe and share your comments and feedbacks below. We love hearing from you. Thumbs up speech balloon. That's all for today's news. Stay informed and I will see you in the next update.